just point and go. And the pedaling comes in handy, like right now when you're on the steeper part. But again, it just, it's nice. There we go. Full speed. 21, 24, 24.7, 25.5. Just couldn't see. Here's a steep grade. See how much time is left. I should have just set a timer, it would have been easier. I think it's close to getting to the end here. It might have already. So. Slide, try to get around. It's really loose sand and gravel. Thank you. There we go. Nice. Oh, wow. One of the keys too when you're doing that, like right here, my thighs, I keep them really tight to the seat because your feet will come off the pedal super easy if you don't. That's not fun. Okay, here we are. We're like halfway through. I might do a two-parter. Damn. I'm pushing all the watts here, 7 something. And a lot of people are like, hey, you gotta be careful. I've done this for 2 years and this thing just keeps taking a beating, so I'm gonna keep dishing it. Keeps eating it up. To tell you guys. These tires are doing great. Oh, interesting. Yeah. Let's see, I think I went a different way. I don't know this way. I feel like I'm entering, unless it spins around here. There we go. This goes. Oh yeah. No, this is right. I know where I am. Yeah, we'll do a two-parter. Thank you. Thank you. Dust. That's it, we made it. Just like that. Motored through. I think this is so much fun. Can't say you get the best looks from people all the time. I think they're kind of like, hey, get that thing out of here. Because it does feel like a motorcycle. I'm sure it looks like a motorcycle too, but it isn't. Anywho. I said, we'll do a two-parter. This is the second part. We'll end it here. That's really, I just wanted to take the new tires that I have not ridden on for like months, and I got them, at least it feels like months. They're doing great. They really handled it well. So thank you, 45 North, even though I paid for them, but thank you. Well engineered. And we'll let it go at that. Y'all have a great week. I'll post some other updates and other videos. Just keep following the trail and see what happens. All right, take it easy. Bye.